Hey guys, welcome back to another update of my Canadian dividend investing portfolio series where I go over my investments as a DIY investor in Canada. I'm buying all of my stocks with Wealthsimple Trade as my broker, and I'm tracking everything in this custom Google Sheet that I made, which helps me understand more about the performance of each position and the overall portfolio. And if you're interested in trying out the spreadsheet, there is a link in the description below where you can get it. So starting at the beginning, let's take a look here at my total account balance. We're sitting just over $80,000 finally. It's awesome. We're up about $400 in total, which means that's about 0.5% in total, so basically flat. But we have an annual dividend income going forward into the future of $3,871. And I do have some cash in the account, $263. I had it earlier today, and that is what I spent. And so I'm going to show you how much income my annual dividends will increase by based on the stocks that I buy with that $260. And take a look here also in the portfolio tab at how the average prices are affected for some of the ones that I bought. So we're just going to jump straight into it. You can basically see that this is my portfolio right now. It's sorted with the biggest gains at the top and the biggest losses down at the bottom. And my goal today was all I wanted to do was just drop some money into my most negative stocks or my most beat up stocks. So some of those would be Northwest Health, AQN, and Allied Properties. So right now, like today, the current price of Allied Properties was around $23.64. My average price is $42.95, so that means that it's down about 45% almost from my average price. But when I buy shares at this lower price, it's going to reduce my average price. So we can take a look here. My average price is $42.95. For Algonquin Power, it's $17.20, and for Northwest Health, it's $12.65. And I'm going to show you the shares that I bought here in Wealthsimple. So it was about $100 in Allied Properties. So it's 4 shares at $24.04 is what I actually ended up spending. 12 shares at $8.40 is the price that I got today earlier when I was buying them, and 5 shares at $11.33. So we want to drop these into the transactions tab, and I'm just going to paste it in here below. Once this is all in correctly, we can come back and check out how the average prices were affected. So before Allied Properties, my average price was $42.95, and now it's $42.40. Just based on those 4 shares that I bought today, it reduced my average price. And when hopefully if the stock price goes up again, now we only have to go up to $42.40 to break even instead of going up to $42.95. So that's kind of why I'm doing that. Same thing with Algonquin Power here. Before it was $17.20 and now it's at $17.12. So we don't have to go back up as far again to break even. And same with Northwest Health. Before it was $12.65 and now it's $12.45. So again, the same concept applies there. Okay, so in the last thing we can do here is take a look at the annual dividend income. Before we were sitting at a value of about $3,871, and now we're up to $3,892, and that's because I did add in about $250 worth of more dividend paying stocks. So naturally the dividend income should increase going forward, as those new stocks that I bought will be also paying me a dividend just for holding them into the future. And that's kind of the point. So it looks nice here. We're actually encroaching $4,000 per year. We're going to get there eventually, and that'll be pretty nice because this is all totally tax-free in my tax-free savings account. And I'm definitely expecting a big month here in April because we're on that every 3-month cycle, getting a big dividend. So probably set a new record here later in the month, but we'll have to wait and see what happens as we go. And so yeah, guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop a comment down below, and if you're interested in trying out the spreadsheet, yeah, do give it a go. There's a link in the description below. There's lots of stuff in here where you can track all sorts of things, and there's different features in here. You can look at spark lines, and then we have also extra spark lines for the whole portfolio and stuff like that. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you down in the comments and in the next video.